welcome back to We're the Barbie Family. It's me, Alexis here, and today I'm so excited because I got something that I really wanted. But anyways, on April 1st or March 30 something, I think, I don't remember when I got it, but I asked my mom if she could order me a yellow pineapple cloud slime. So she said that she would order it for me, and it said on my computer that it would come in between April 19th and May 19th. And today is April 19th, so I'm so excited. I'm glad that I did not have to wait a month and 19 days because that would be crazy. Like, I'm not that patient, so yeah, I would not be that patient to wait for it that long. But anyways, here it is. It came in this really small package. Oh, it's upside down. So here's what it is. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to be using scissors. And yes, they are adult-proof scissors. They are adult-proof, even though I'm only 10 years old. Not 30, because I was going like this, 10 years old. 10, 20, 30. I'm not 30 years old, guys. I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old, okay, guys? But anyways, so I think now that it's time to open this up. Okay. Is this live? Okay, so here's what it is. Mom, quiet. Shh. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Blake, stop. Stop. Blake, it's already opened up. I don't want to have to restart it. Go. I said I would let you be in the video after. Mom, come get Blake. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh, what? This charm. No. Feel it.
Hold on.
Look at this pineapple charm, guys. It's so cute. Oh, here's Blake, by the way, guys.
Oh, what do you call that again?
Cloud slime. That's what it's called.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Oh my god. Now guys, if you guys don't think that this is real cloud slime, it actually is. Ooh, and it actually smells like pineapples. Now, it said that it would be like a putty, and it's actually not even like a putty at all. there is a big residue that it comes off with. But I mean, whatever, who cares? Hey guys, look at this. Like, look at that. That's the part that I don't like about it a lot. But it's actually really stretchy. Now that I've been playing with it for a while. When I first touched it, my first experience of it was that it was going to be really hard, and it's actually not even that hard at all. It's because, and it was also very wet. And I'm like, what? Is this going to be like watery, putty cloud slime or something? But, incorrect. This is actually my first slime that I actually ever got off of Amazon. You guys should definitely buy it. And it was actually 79 cents plus $2.79 shipping. And you can get it right at your doorstep. If you have Amazon Prime, then you would get it in a day. And then the day that you order it, the next morning you will have it at your doorstep. But my mom doesn't do Amazon Prime. She just does normal Amazon. So I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. But but if you just do normal Amazon and not Amazon Prime, if you do normal Amazon, you will get it. If it's from Japan, it would be like a couple days after the day that it's supposed to come in between, like, let's say, because this came from Japan, this one though, it came in on the day that it said first, April 9th, in between April 19th, in between Friday, April 19th and Saturday, May 19th. Now, I was really scared and really nervous because yesterday I was on my mom's Amazon phone, on Amazon.com, and it said that it was not close to coming in. But apparently the UPS driver or whoever sent this to my doorstep today, or sent it to my mom because my mom was actually outside and my mom is still outside actually. They were like, let's just say they probably drove really fast because it came in really fast, and it came in on the day that it would say that it said first on Amazon. It said you will get this slime at your doorstep or delivered to your house inside or to your parents or guardians. Or it did not say parents or guardians, but it said that it would be delivered at the doorstep with like Friday, April 19th, in between Friday, April 19th and Saturday, May 19th. And I'm actually really happy. And it even smells just like pineapples. Kind of.
Wow. Cool.
But when I first touched it, it felt like putty.
Yeah.
Because it was kind of hard when I was stretching it.
Yeah.
Because it was also in the container too. And it was very watery.
Huh.
Here's Blake again, guys. But this slime is actually really good. I think I'm going to have to start ordering slimes from now on. off of Amazon because this is pretty good.
Yeah.
But again, it leaves a huge residue on your hands. But who cares about getting residue on your hands? I mean, you just wash it. It kind of will still be on after.
I tried to pick this one.
Look at it.
To what?
You'll have to stop the video in a bit.
Okay. So there it is. And this is what it would look like in a container with the pineapple on. In the container. That's what it looks like. And this is the way that it came in. I thought it was supposed to be a lot bigger than this, but I guess not. Oh, it said that this is made in China, not in Japan. Most things that people get are from China, but some things are from like Montana or Japan or something. But yeah, this is actually a really good slime package. I definitely think that you guys should go on Amazon and buy this pineapple cloud slime. They also have a blue snowman cloud slime, and it's really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Click the red subscribe button.
It's just what to channel.
And subscribe to We Are the Burpee Family, and click the post notification bell to get notified when we post all new videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this.